This is a comprehensive tutorial on putting together a sample janitorial and commercial cleaning service business plan. This template can be used by commercial cleaning services, janitorial service, commercial cleaning specialty, and carpet cleaning businesses. The goal was to write out a business plan using practical information and cover the main topics. Every section has a link to view details of specific sections. The plan divided into 6 sections: business description, services, marketing, management, operations, and financial. This is an example of an introduction or summary section. Next Door Commercial Cleaning Service located in Toledo, Ohio, and was incorporated as an S Corp July 2020. We currently have 3 employees, 1 marketing person, and 2 cleaning technicians. Next Door currently rents 5,000 square feet of office and warehouse space. Our current target market is employers with 50 to 100 employees, primarily professional offices with cleanable office space of 10,000 square feet minimum. Client sustainability is going to be the main variable to consider when deciding which business to market to. We want to be thinking of industries that will be in business for the next 20 years.